is fun. Welcome to episode one or two, probably one. I don't remember, but it's reads and reps boxing. Uh, First part of the video is going to be film study on what the reads are, and we are talking about Bam Rodriguez right now. Pretty cool because I have a film study on him that I just did recently for him preparing for the fight. But reads and reps is about what the film says that ended the fight in this particular standpoint, and then how you would rep it to get better at it on your own. So the first half of the video is us actually talking about the film and what the fighter did or the person did, because I don't want to limit this to only boxing. I'm not only a boxing coach. I started with basketball, so I'm going back to that, and I'm a strength and conditioning coach. We're going to talk about that as well. I just don't want to limit this to anything. So reads and reps is about what the read was that somebody made and the reps that you need to go through in order to be able to make the same read. Jason Tatum said that, I think. And the question was, what's the difference between being pro and being collegiate in college? And he went to Duke. He plays for the Boston Celtics right now. Jason Tatum is really good. What he said was the reads are the same. You just need to make them faster. So Bam's going to make the same read as you. He just knows how to make them a little bit faster. So now let's get into how this fight ended.
Hurt. Puma Martinez. Maybe. Bam has that mean streak, that chip on his shoulder. He may be humble, but he's definitely a killer. I think he's just having fun.
This is not how it ended. We're watching this live. I'm not doing that much editing for you guys. I'm sorry.
And just a little bit too big for
We'll
Bam.
get there.
And Virgil in the corner. Throws a right hand, though, to keep Bam off.
But as we look for where this is at, oops, he's on the ground already. My bad, y'all. As we look at where this is at, it is very important to say that Bam Rodriguez is a southpaw fighter, which means that his right leg is forward, his right hand is forward. In Puma, where this happened, is going to be an orthodox stance.
And though, to keep
let's see.
Bam off momentarily. That's for Martinez. Oh, and I'm not sure Martinez. What?
There it is.
Punch to the jaw. For Martinez, and a round of applause for the Argentine.
Well, yeah, spoiler alert. That's what happens. The fight is ended off of that, but we're going to talk about how we get there. And Virgil to so many others. I mean,
whoa! Puma backs into the corner.
Obviously, if you watch this fight, Bam's been
Keep
winning
Bam off
and
momentarily.
dominating the entire fight.
And a round of applause.
Okay, there we are. And this is a perfect time to go ahead and see what's going on. So, we talk about stances right now. Because I don't want you guys to worry about like a boxing stance. I don't want you guys to worry about a fight stance. I'm very much wanting you guys to worry about positions. And the reason why I coach positions so much is because my background is basketball. And in basketball, how I told you from the beginning, and Jason Tatum and what he said from Reed's standpoint, basketball is very much about positions and how you protect your positions to get into your finishes. And finishes for basketball are like not step backs. It's going to be first scoring area, second scoring area, third scoring area, fourth scoring area. Are you a 2-foot floater person? Are you a runner person? Pull-up jumper going to the right, pull-up jumper going to the left. We'll get back to boxing. But this is very much the same thing. So if you guys notice right now that Puma's stance is his left leg is forward, right? So a lot of coaches will call this the orthodox stance. Bam's stance is his right leg is forward, which is a lot of coaches will call this the orthodox stance. So I'm not so much concerned about the stance. I'm more so concerned about the position. Right now, Puma's head is over his left leg. Left toe, left heel, depending on what your coaching system is, this is what's going on. And Bam's toe, when he finishes this punch, is over his right toe because that's what the target is right now. So when we talk about pull counters, which is a setup for a finish, the finish for Bam is his rear left hand because that's the shot that he works on. This right here is what the read was to tell Bam that he's going to throw a rear left hand. because Puma overextends when he throws this right hand. And when we talk about overextend, that means that he's not in position to be able to do the next thing. And the next thing is protect himself, attack, or move. Back to a basketball analogy, we talk about triple threat. Triple threat in basketball is being able to pass, shoot, or dribble. Boxing, the triple threat analogy, is to be able to attack, defend, or move. So you guys, based on this film, tell me, what is Puma out of the triple threat able to do next? Nothing. He overextends. And Bam gets this information. So look how fast Bam makes this read. This happens right now, and the next thing that Bam does is get right into his clear count.
Martinez, and a round of applause for the
Fight over. Now, it is round 10, so we do have to account to what application means from this. So maybe Puma was on this round 1, but now he's tired and he's not doing the same thing that he would have done round 1. That is the point of competition. So Bam's setup or his read is Puma's going to throw a right hand. I am southpaw. He's going to throw it at my front foot. I'm going to move from my front foot to my back foot to load my rear hand or my back hand to be able to come back in towards Puma's front foot, which in this case is his left foot, left toe, left heel, to turn this shot all the way over and potentially end the fight. So let's look at it again.
Argentina. Bam off from backs into the corner. Throws a right hand, though, to keep Bam off from momentarily. That's for Martinez, and a round of applause for the Argentina.
Fight over. That is the film study part. Let's go into the application standpoint. I'll see you on that side. But